at home. Oh, he saw it. He's gonna pop the hood. He's gonna pop it. Please don't. Oh, it's good stuff. I feel so bad. Here he goes. Here he goes.
Can't we tell him?
We will. Hey guys, expert wife tip here. If you need to keep your husband busy for just, a little while, pour some oil, antifreeze, whatever he's got in his, garage, and just dump it under there. It'll take him a little while to figure it out, or try at least. You're welcome.
Did you do this? You had me panicking there for a little bit there. You seriously did that?
Yeah.
Where'd you find the coolant?
I was just under there. Just in there.
No, it's not. You're so mean. Alright. We'll put you up to that.
She won't want to be named.